Macrocyclic lactones are a group of complex compounds with high parasiticidal efficacy that are either natural products produced by various soil microorganisms of the genus Streptomyces, or chemically modified derivatives of such natural products. They are also called endectocides because they show high efficacy against a broad spectrum of both endoparasites and ectoparasites. According to their chemical structure, there are two different groups, avermectines and milbemycines. Under avermectines are abamectin, doramectin, aprenomectin, ivermectin, and selamectin. Abamectin is used moderately in livestock and scarcely in pets. Doramectin is used moderately only in livestock. Aprenomectin is used moderately in livestock and very scarcely in cats. Ivermectin is used massively in livestock, horses, and pets. Selamectin is used moderately only in pets. Under milbemycins are milbemycin oxime and moxidectin. Milbemycin oxime is used moderately only in pets. Moxidectin is used moderately in livestock and horses, scarcely in pets. Under pharmacokinetics, once administered to the treated animal, either orally, topically, or by injection, macrocyclic lactones quickly reach the bloodstream and are distributed throughout the body. This allows them to reach the parasites almost everywhere, in the digestive system, in the lungs, in muscles, in the kidneys, in the eyes, etc., even if they are not blood suckers. The largest part of the active ingredient administered is usually excreted through the feces, and the amount metabolized is usually rather small. But depending on each compound, the distribution in different organs and the time to excretion can be different. Whereas most macrocyclic lactones for livestock leave substantial amounts of residues in milk and are not allowed for dairy animals. Other macrocyclic lactones produce less or almost no residues in milk and are now allowed for use on dairy cows. Mechanism of action. Macrocyclic lactones act as agonists of the GABA, or the gamma-aminobutyric acid, neurotransmitter in nerve cells, and also bind to glutamate-gated chloride channels in nerve and muscle cells of invertebrates. In both cases, it blocks the transmission of neuronal signals of the parasites, which are either paralyzed and expelled out of the body or they starve. They also affect the reproduction of some parasites by diminishing oviposition or inducing an abnormal oogenesis. Main delivery forms. For livestock, there are injectables, drenches, pour-ons, slow-release boluses, and feed additives. They often contain mixtures of macrocyclic lactones with other parasiticides to complete the spectrum of activity. For cats and dogs, macrocyclic lactones are available mainly as tablets, pills, or drenches for oral administration. Injectable macrocyclic lactones for pets are rather scarce.